Okay, everybody, this is Charlie opening a Play-Doh surprise. Who is in the ball? What's inside?
Toby.
It's Toby!
Okay, what is it? Cool. Toby made a different one.
Oh, we did? Do you see his face in there?
I see.
Oh, yeah. See, like all his stripes and stuff. Oh, that's cool. All right. Who else you have?
Hey, Mama, Percy.
Percy!
Playdoh.
Oh, yeah, a little bit of Play-Doh. Did you already take him out? Oh, this is old Play-Doh. Oh, okay. I see. All right. Okay, we'll clean him. We need a wipe to clean him. I know. So soft. This Play-Doh's a little crunchy, isn't it? On Percy. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much.
And a blue ball.
I thought that flipped.
And a blue ball.
Oh, we doing the blue ball? Okay, okay. Here we go.
And Percy do.
I'm going to wipe him off while you open the blue ball. Who is it? Who is it? It's a surprise. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, who is it? James! Hi, James. Were you on a special?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.